Hey everybody, it's Angie and welcome to Hot and Flashy. In today's Try It Tuesday, I wanted to try the 3-second brow eyebrow stamp kit. This is an as seen on TV product. I haven't actually seen it on TV, but I did see it at Target, and so I picked it up because I thought, wow, I wonder if that could actually work, because I know a lot of people out there in my mature Hot and Flashy audience are struggling with their eyebrows and are wondering about easy and convenient ways to get their eyebrows on and in place, because as you know, as we get older, the eyebrow hair gets a little bit sparser every year until the point that you feel like you just have no eyebrows, or maybe they're gray and they need some coverage or they need some filling. So I saw this little kit and I thought, well, wouldn't that be fantastic if it was fantastic? So I picked it up. We're going to put it to the test today. So what this contains is 2 sets of eyebrows. So there's 2 different shapes, a more of a pointy arch shape. Oh, can you see it? More of a pointy arch shape and more of a standard round shape. And so it's got the ink. It says that it will give you defined, full, and lasting brows, and that it is water resistant coverage that will last all day. So here's the before and afters on the box. They looked intriguing. I would like my eyebrows to come out looking like that really quickly. I can't remember how much I paid for it though. Let me see if there's a price tag on it. No. Let me look online and tell you how much it is. Well, found out some good news and bad news when I was online looking. Only $9.99 at Target, as much as $19.99 at somewhere else, and $14.99 at Walgreens, but only 2 stars at Target, 2 stars at Amazon. Pretty consistent. Uh-oh. And now I don't want to use this. And I'm going to the movies tonight with my girlfriends. I don't want to have crazy brow. But what the heck, let's try it anyway. I started the video, let's do it. Here's the more arched eyebrow, and here's the more arced eyebrow. There's 1 of each of those. There's supposed to be 2 of each. Oh, here they are. Okay, and then the other eyebrow is right inside here. And then this little guy opens, and there is the powder. Oh, and it's got a little mirror too. How handy. So everything you need. And that is really cute. And then whichever one you decide is the right shape for you, I would imagine you just keep both of them in here. I would like to have these arches, but that doesn't really go with my eyebrow. I think I'm going to be more the plain curve one. Is that going to match my eyebrow better? Definitely. Okay, so I'll use those. We'll put the arches aside. There's a big instruction sheet. Let me just review the instructions. Align the stamps with your eyebrows to determine which brow shape most closely resembles your own without applying powder. Practice stamping on your eyebrow. Open the compact in a small circular motion. Gently rub the stamp into the powder until the sponge is sufficiently coated with brow powder. 3. While looking in the mirror, align the stamp with your eyebrow and press firmly with even pressure for 3 seconds. The harder you press, the darker your eyebrow will be. Pull the stamp away to reveal your eyebrows. If there is any excess powder around your eyebrows, you may need to touch up. Oh, hey. I don't think it's bad. Only 2 stars. What are you people talking about? Oh, you know how it is. I like everything that everyone else hates, and I hate everything that everyone else likes. Just the nature of me. Okay, but I feel like that's not so bad. Like, literally, I feel like the color's decent. Oh, but wait, that little hole in my brow is still a hole. So, oh, I get it. That's where this comes in. Then I use this separate, and I just fill in a little hole with the brow powder. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to use a Q-tip and just clean up the little mess I made there with the powder at the start. And of course, this is removing my makeup. I don't know. I actually don't think that's that bad. I think it's kind of nice looking. Let's do the other one. I like it. Okay, well, so here's the other archy one, and we're just going to grind it in there again. I don't know, maybe it comes off on your face all day, and that's why I didn't read why people don't like it. I just saw the 2-star reviews and was like, uh-oh. It is hard to get it completely covered. Like rubbing, rubbing, rubbing. Got the stamp completely covered. know, of course you have to blend it. I feel like when you first put it on, it comes off really easily, and so you can fix it if it comes out way too big by just cleaning up the edges and then using a spoolie. My daughters are home from school, so I suppose I'll get the daughter's reaction to them, but like from this distance, I like actually think they look okay. Okay, I'm gonna wear them for a while and I'll come back and we'll check in on it and we'll see what happens. All right? Okay. Yeah, we'll form our own opinion. We won't just listen to what everyone says online. Okay, so I just asked darling daughter if she noticed anything different about me. She took a look and said, "Your eyebrows look good?" I was like, yes, thank you. So it's not just me, they look good, right? And she's like, yeah, they look really good. So, okay, I don't know. I mean, you know, for $10, if I could just like bonk, bonk my eyebrows on every day, that would be great. All right, I almost forgot to check on the eyebrows. It's 11:30. I went up to go wash my face for bed and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to check on the eyebrows. So anyway, yeah, these have lasted for 8 hours. I think they look very much the same. I've been out to the movies, had some dinner, but I thought that we would do a little water test on them since they said they were waterproof. So I've got a little dropper, and it's fine if I mess up my makeup now, because what the heck. We'll just drop a little water, pretend we got caught in the rain and whatnot. Oh, I'm like dripping water into my eye. Ah. Seems to be staying in place pretty well. Is it running off? Pretty waterproof, I'd say. I'm confused about the 2 stars everywhere I saw. I think they look good. I actually like the stuff. It's been long lasting. It seems to be waterproof. Both daughters said it looked nice, and the friend that I was out to the movies with was like, yeah, your eyebrows look good. So this is Angie approved. I recommend this, you know, for $10 to just be able to stamp on your eyebrows quick and easy if they match your brow color and your shape, then I think they're worth a try. What can I say? I like it. Bucking the trend here. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative, or at least a little bit amusing. And so have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So take care, everybody. Night, night.